Welcome to Premix and Pedals. Today we're going to start the teardown of the Project 88 YZ250. And there's no better place to start than with the front end. So let's dive right into it. I've already had the leaky fork seals and bushings changed and fresh fork oil put in here by a certified Yamaha mechanic. Now there's two reasons that I can think of to justify rebuilding your forks. The first one is if the seal leaks enough, it could get all over your rotor, and guess what? You're not stopping. The second reason is something that personally happened to me. I bought a used machine and I didn't check anything. Well, apparently the fork seals had been leaking for some time and there was next to nothing left in the forks. I came off a small jump and the forks went and compressed and they stuck there. I felt like I was riding a lowrider. And let me tell you what, that makes for a very dangerous situation, not only in the riding, but when I got back to the pits and I unscrewed the top to that fork cap, never taking into account that there was a compressed spring in there, I never found the top to that fork, and it really could have hurt if it would have hit somebody. Now that I had the forks all rebuilt, I'm going to put on these rubber fork boots. Now not only do I think they look really cool, but they also offer some protection too. They're going to keep your sliders from getting all nicked up. Now, if they do get all nicked up, they're going to tear up your new seals and it's basically going to waste your money. Now we got our new boots. Now you're going to take a look because one side, the opening is smaller than the other side, so that's going to show you how to slide these things on. And you just grab your boot, grab your fork and your boot, and all you do is you slide it down. I know some manufacturers actually make small hose clamp type bands to do this. But you can also use one of my favorite things, a colored zip tie. Gonna get your zip tie in place here and just go ahead and tighten it. And a little tip here, if you grab yourself a needle nose pliers and just grab a hold of the zip tie, you can actually rotate it, and that's actually going to get it a little bit tighter, and it's also going to tear it off. In the coming videos, we're going to break down the rest of the front end components and get them looking and performing at their best.